Losing weight can be a challenging journey, and many people often find themselves searching for quick solutions. However, the key to effective and sustainable weight loss lies in making long-term lifestyle changes. It's widely recognized that a balanced diet and regular physical activity are essential components of any weight loss strategy. In this video, we will count down the top 18 foods that women should consider adding to their diets to aid in fat burning. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications, so you never miss an update. Understanding the connection between diet and weight loss. What you eat has a profound impact on how you feel and function daily. A healthy diet not only supports weight loss but also boosts energy levels, improves mood, and reduces the risk of various health issues. When you consume nutritious foods and maintain a calorie deficit, burning more calories than you take in, you will likely see a reduction in weight over time. But beyond just weight loss, incorporating these foods into your diet can enhance overall health and well-being. The benefits of a healthy diet. Eating well contributes to numerous benefits. Increased energy. Nutrient-dense foods provide the fuel your body needs to function optimally throughout the day. Reduced health risks. A healthy diet can lower the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Enhanced mental health. Nutritional choices can affect mood and cognitive function, promoting better mental well-being. If you're eager to learn more about foods that can help you burn fat effectively, keep watching as we count down the top 18 fat-burning foods for women. Make sure you stay until the end, as we will also highlight foods you should avoid if you're serious about cutting fat. Top 18 fat-burning foods. Number 18. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits, such as oranges, grapefruits, and lemons, are not only refreshing but also beneficial for weight management. A 2016 study conducted by the American Chemical Society highlighted that the compounds found in citrus fruits can help prevent obesity-related diseases, including heart disease and diabetes. A simple way to incorporate more citrus into your diet is by adding slices of lemon or lime to your water, giving it a zesty flavor while keeping you hydrated. Number 17. Walnuts. Nuts are often regarded as healthy snacks, but walnuts stand out for their unique properties. A study published in the journal Diabetes, Obesity, and Metabolism found that walnuts contain specific compounds that help control appetite, making you feel fuller for longer periods. Adding a handful of walnuts to your morning oatmeal or having them as a snack can be a satisfying way to reduce overall calorie intake. Number 16. Popcorn. Popcorn can be a surprisingly healthy snack when prepared correctly. Research from the University of Scranton found that popcorn is high in polyphenols, antioxidants that promote better digestion and circulation. When air-popped and enjoyed without butter, salt, or oil, popcorn can be a low-calorie snack option. Try seasoning it with nutritional yeast or your favorite herbs for added flavor without the calories. Number 15. Berries. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are delicious and incredibly nutritious. A study from Harvard University in 2016 indicated that increasing daily intake of berries can assist with long-term weight loss. The high levels of flavonoids found in these fruits may help reduce body fat. Consider adding berries to your morning smoothie, yogurt, or oatmeal for a burst of flavor and nutrients. Number 14. Whole grains. Choosing whole grains over refined grains can significantly impact weight management. Research from Tufts University revealed that individuals who consumed 3 or more servings of whole grains, such as quinoa, brown rice, and oats, experienced about 10% less belly fat than those who consumed white carbs. Whole grains are richer in fiber, which promotes satiety and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Try swapping white rice for quinoa or enjoying oatmeal instead of sugary cereals. Number 13. Avocados. Avocados have gained popularity as a health food for a good reason. A study published in the Journal of Internal Medicine Review found that avocados are nutrient-dense and high in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats. These fats can help keep you satisfied and support weight loss. Incorporate avocados into your diet by adding them to salads, smoothies, or simply spreading them on whole grain toast. Number 12. Cayenne pepper. If you enjoy a bit of heat in your meals, cayenne pepper is a fantastic addition. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition suggests that the capsaicin compound in cayenne can help increase your body's ability to burn fat by boosting metabolism. Try adding cayenne to soups, stews, or marinades to spice up your dishes while aiding in fat loss. Number 11. Salmon. Salmon is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. A 2015 study from Kyoto University found that salmon helps convert fatty white fat cells into fat-burning beige cells. This fish is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to promote fat oxidation. Consider grilling or baking salmon for a healthy meal that can support weight loss and muscle building. Number 10. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is more than just a tasty spice. It has metabolism-boosting properties as well. Researchers at the University of Michigan discovered that cinnamaldehyde, an essential oil in cinnamon, activates thermogenesis, which helps burn calories and produce heat. Sprinkle cinnamon on your oatmeal, mix it into smoothies, or add it to baked goods for a sweet flavor and health benefits. Number 9. Apples and pears. These fruits are not only crunchy and satisfying but also beneficial for weight loss. A study published by the U.S. National Library of Medicine found that women who consumed apples or pears as part of their diet lost more weight than those who ate oatmeal cookies. These fruits are high in fiber and water content, which can help keep you full and reduce overall calorie intake. Number 8. Chicken. Lean protein sources, like chicken, are essential for any weight loss plan. A 2013 study published in the Medical Journal of Obesity found that higher protein intake can reduce total body fat and support muscle mass during weight loss. Grilled chicken breast, stir-fried with vegetables, or added to salads can be a nutritious and satisfying meal option. Number 7. Spinach. This leafy green is a nutritional powerhouse. A study published in the journal Hormone suggests that eating 3 cups of spinach per week can accelerate weight loss by up to 10%. Spinach is rich in lipoic acid, a compound that helps block sugar absorption into cells, promoting energy use instead of fat storage. Add spinach to smoothies, salads, or omelets for a healthy boost. Number 6. Whey protein. Whey protein supplements are popular among fitness enthusiasts for a reason. A study from the U.S. National Library of Medicine found that whey protein can help promote fat loss while building lean muscle mass. Incorporating whey protein into smoothies or having it as a post-workout snack can support your weight loss journey. Number 5. Eggs. Eggs are a versatile and protein-rich food that can significantly aid in weight loss. A 2018 report from the Commonwealth Scientific and Industrial Research Organization, CSIRO, suggested that consuming a high-protein breakfast, such as eggs, can enhance fat loss. Try different preparations, such as scrambled, poached, or hard-boiled, to keep breakfast interesting and nutritious. Number 4. Milk. Milk is not just for kids. A 2007 study conducted by McMaster University showed that drinking milk can lead to better muscle gains compared to soy milk. Milk is rich in protein, calcium, and vitamin D, which support overall health and fat burning. Consider adding milk to your smoothies, coffee, or using it in cooking to enhance flavor and nutrition. Number 3. Beans. Beans are an excellent source of plant-based protein and fiber. A study published in the Archives of Internal Medicine found that incorporating beans into your diet can improve blood sugar control and reduce the risk of heart disease. Beans, such as black beans, lentils, and chickpeas, can be added to salads, soups, or used as a filling for tacos and burritos. Number 2. Purple sweet potatoes. Purple sweet potatoes are not only visually appealing but also incredibly nutritious. A review published in Biomedical and Environmental Sciences highlighted that these potatoes are rich in resistant starch, which can help reduce obesity risk. They are a delicious alternative to regular potatoes. Try roasting or mashing them for a colorful side dish. Number 1. Mustard. For those who enjoy cooking or using condiments, mustard is a fantastic addition to your diet. Research from Oxford Brookes University found that mustard can increase calorie burn by up to 20%. Plus, mustard is virtually calorie-free, making it a guilt-free condiment. Use mustard in dressings, marinades, or as a dip for your favorite snacks. Foods to avoid while trying to lose weight. Now that you know the best foods to incorporate into your diet, let's discuss 3 types of foods you should avoid if you're serious about losing weight. Number 3. Sugary drinks. Sugary beverages, such as soda and juice, are notorious for being high in empty calories. The Boston Public Health Commission warns that these drinks can lead to weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Instead of sugary drinks, opt for water, herbal teas, or infused water with fresh fruits and herbs to stay hydrated without the added calories. Number 2. Fast food. Fast food may be convenient, but it often comes with a hefty calorie price tag. These meals are typically loaded with unhealthy fats, sugars, and sodium, which can contribute to weight gain and various health issues. Instead of fast food, prepare healthy meals at home using fresh ingredients, which can be both satisfying and nutritious. Number 1. Alcohol. While it may be tempting to unwind with a drink, alcohol is high in empty calories and can hinder your weight loss efforts. The Foundation for Alcohol Research and Education states that alcohol can increase appetite and lead to overeating. Additionally, it carries other health risks, such as high blood pressure and liver disease. If you're trying to lose weight, it's best to limit or avoid alcohol altogether. Conclusion. Now that you're equipped with knowledge about which foods to include and which to avoid in your diet, you're one step closer to achieving your weight loss goals. Remember, it's not just about cutting calories, it's about making informed choices that nourish your body and support your health. What are some of your favorite foods when dieting? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and information. Thank you for watching, and here's to a healthier you.